In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Intercom to auto-send message. This setup is useful when you want every new conversation to start with a consistent, helpful response. It can confirm that a message was received, set expectations for reply time, or point people to the right resources. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into your Intercom workspace and that you have permission to edit automation settings. Start by looking at the left side navigation in Intercom. Find and click Fin AI Agent. This area contains tools that help automate how conversations are handled, including simple message rules that trigger at the right moment. Next, move to the top menu and select Simple Automations. This is where you can turn on lightweight automations without building a complex workflow. You will see options that let you decide who the automation applies to and when it should run. Now choose whether this automation should apply to users or to leads. In Intercom, users are typically people who already have an account or are recognized as customers, while leads are often new or unverified visitors who have not fully converted yet. Pick the option that matches the audience you want to receive the auto-sent message. If you serve both groups differently, choose the one that fits your current goal. After that, look for the setting labeled When Users or Leads Send Their First Message, and toggle it on. This trigger is designed to fire only once per person, right when they reach out for the first time, which helps you avoid sending the same automatic reply repeatedly. Once the toggle is enabled, click Configure. You will be able to type the message you want Intercom to send automatically. Keep the message clear and friendly. It is a good idea to include a short welcome, a brief confirmation that their message came through, and a simple next step, like what information they should share to speed up help. Also keep it concise so it reads well inside the chat. Finally, click Save Changes. This locks in your automation so it can start working right away. If you ever need to adjust the wording later, you can return to Simple Automations, open the same configuration, and update the message. That covers everything you need to know.